Dua, bukan satu, tapi dua GTR. Assalamualaikum, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So Alhamdulillah, salam Jumaat. Today, hari ni adalah 14th day of Ramadan. So one more day, halfway through. So again, baru hari ni nak betul-betulkan balik the channel, editing properly. So this is more on my personal stuff, what I do maybe on a daily basis or a weekly basis, or whenever aku rajin nak buat video lah. So basically, if you want to see more action content, is on our other channel, Driftology Cult. DC, Driftology Cult, that's with Zaso. So that one is more high quality editing stuff, whatever, more high quality lah, editing lagi tune. Semua dekat sana DC, because Zaso, he's a pro media guy. So stay tuned for more content on DC. So but for this one, this is Bullseye Hamdan. This is more about aku punya personal stuff and what I do on a daily basis. So today apa kita nak buat? Of course today is Friday prayers. We're gonna go Friday prayers. But where are we going? Maybe Runtaka. Alright. Alright guys, so we're on the road. We're heading towards KL area untuk check out one of our drift cars yang dah lama kita ada, a few years now, but yet to be competitively driven by myself. A few guys have driven it before, and let's check out what we should do and what other things that we need to update or orang kata prepare for upcoming races. So as you guys know, aku dah ada a few drift cars, and this is probably the only one yang I built from zero, from scratch. So we'll see. Hopefully it's gonna be a different beast lah kan. We have a beast S15 now. This one I think some of you tahu kot. We call it Project Rentaka. So we're gonna check out Project Rentaka, and then where is it at, who's gonna take care of the car, and the updates that's gonna be made from to the car. So stay tuned guys. Alright, jalan dulu, bahaya sambil main phone. So don't play your phone when you're driving. Alright guys. So okay guys, kita dah sampai to our destination after solat Jumaat. You guessed it right, we are here now at RAV4 Auto Works in Kepong. So as you can see, this garage builds race car, restore cars, also maintain normal cars, street cars, commercial cars kat sini in Kepong. So that's Louis right there, proud owner. So kita kat sini untuk check out apa guys. Jom kita tengok. Yes sir, kita nak tengok Project Rentaka. Project Rentaka safely landed here at RAV4 Auto Works. So banyak yang tahu Project Rentaka is a 2J platform, but now, yep, we have 2 more extra pistons and 1 less turbo. So yep, it's a V8 LS swap, LS3. So we did the transplant, and then but we are here to make sure everything is nice and clean. As we all know, RAV4 has restored our S15 Beast. So many years dia dalam keadaan asal boleh. So now it's already in very clean and restored condition, and that's the work from RAV4, and that's why we send back the Rentaka here untuk buat restoration ataupun tidying up the car, ensure everything is nice. So as you can see here, we have some spots that needs to be taken care of, and then maybe new oil catch tank, tucking up the wires. And then of course here and there, like all those paint needs to be touched up. And this is going to be a new body kit for this car, hopefully. After the restoration, we're going to send for body kit. We'll update you on that. And of course, you can see, hang on, let me just go to the other side. So this is the interior. So as you can see, very nice. Now we are running the carbon dash by TPR Racing. So we're running their dashboard together with the center console. So everything will be susun semula lah. Replace, everything is going to be repositioned to fit the center console. And of course, tidying up will be done. The wiring, whatnot will be removed. Yang tak pakai, kita akan remove, so that it's going to be more tidy. And then of course this frame, we're going to change the frame so that it's not too heavy. The big disc, the big disc rotor and the calipers, we already smaller the rotors so that it fits more 18-inch wheels. And of course the winters need some attention, so kita akan pay attention sikit kat winters so that everything is good to go. So thank you Louis for taking care of rentaka. So S15 yang Chun tu dia lah buat, from kereta macam orang kata lapsap sampai Chun, dia yang buat.
Bukan lapsap, kereta bagus.
Kereta bagus. Semua tak bersih lah.
Semua tak bersih aja.
Yeah, betul. Thank you.
Bersih-bersih.
Betul. So sekarang kita hantar balik kereta ni untuk dia kasi cantik balik. And then hopefully we'll be drifting back for the first time competing in rentaka. Because sebelum ni we have Wei-Shen driving it, we have Uncle Jet driving it. So maybe hopefully another driver or maybe myself will compete in it. So we're going to prepare it for upcoming events. Hopefully the first one will be Retro Havoc. Retro Havoc kita akan display 31st of May guys. Retro Havoc at the Curve. So you'll be seeing Project Rentaka again. It made its first appearance in 2023. We'll come back again this year inshallah. Hopefully new look with the new body kit and the new setup. We're going to display it during Retro Havoc. So yep, big shout out to everyone that's involved in this build. Thank you. So jom kita tengok apa lagi ada kat RAV4. 2, bukan 1 tapi 2 GTR R34 here at RAV4 Autoworks. E36 Zafiro is nice. Mark II, super clean man this car. Ni orang ni?
Aku ni dulu.
Oh, new BBL.
Itu backup main engine lah.
Oh.
Lepas tu dia transfer sini mah.
Okay.
Sini baru satu kali keluar kereta tak mau main kereta bersih.
New BBL SR. VTEC kick in. JZ swap. So kita ada Civic EK K-Swap. So kat sini apa benda je yang tak boleh buat, semua boleh buat. Oops, I think this one baru convert kot. 20 valve SEG. Nampak? It's like a brand new car guys. Macam baru. Everything is like its original state. So that's how restoring work is spot on here dekat RAV4. Wow. See, everything is in place. Everything is like factory, okay? It looks like a brand new car, kan? Mantap, mantap. Berdaging. Alright guys, JZ100 Mark II sangat cun, sangat mantap. So dah ada owner baru. Kita dah usah kat kereta ni dekat Louis punya post. Kita memang geram juga, tapi memandangkan yalah bini marah. Walaupun dia kata banyak kereta, tak apa jangan banyak bini, tapi dia marah agak nak beli kereta. So kita dengan owner baru. What's up bro? How are you?
Hello.
Nama siapa?
Syarul Iqmal.
Syarul Iqmal.
Saya asal dari Labuan.
Dari Labuan, okey.
Saya baru angkat last week actually ni kereta.
Okey.
Macam Abang Buzai cakap, ini memang bising. Tapi kita tutup settling.
Ya, betul. Tahan kejap lah
Tahan kejap lah.
Belanja makan.
Belanja makan.
Shopping
belanja
sikit.
Nanti pandai lah tu dia reda.
Yeah. So memang base dekat sini ke dekat Labuan?
No, actually saya orang Labuan kerja di KK.
Okey.
So, saya datang sini untuk biasanya kita beli kereta test drive and everything kan. Dan sebenarnya saya sudah booking kontainer hantar Sabah.
Okey.
Tapi last minute raya punya pasal,
Right.
kontainer penuh. So hati tidak tahan.
Yeah.
Saya fly lagi sini, saya drive lagi ni kereta.
Betul, betul. Sebab tu kadang-kadang bini dia marah tau. Sebab apa? Kau lebih sayang kereta daripada dia. Kan? Kau sanggup fly tengok kereta. Oh, so kereta ni akan hantar balik ke Labuan?
Yes.
KK. Okay. So this is the last time korang akan tengok kereta ni kat sini. Sebab tu aku macam, baik aku interview kat kereta ni. Owner dia ada kat sini. Dia akan balik Sabah guys, KK. Nombor plate pun dah Sabah. Mantap. Sabah
Ya, betul.
Sabah. So, kenapa pilih JZ100?
Saya dari kecil dulu ayah ada satu E34 BMW.
Okay.
1J. So start dari situ.
Oh.
JZ always in my heart.
There you go, Jay-Z.
Yes.
Jay-Z no shit.
Actually, saya pernah pakai Evo sekali. Kalau you tahu Evo Borneo Nim jual.
Okay. Yours lah.
Previous owner lah.
I see.
Saya
jual.
Tapi after saya back to JZ, memang JZ punya pukulan lain.
Pukulan best kan? Betul.
I think siapa owner JZ tahulah.
Betul. Itu saya terpaksa setuju. Sebab saya daripada V8 pergi ke JZ, tapi saya terpaksa beli kat V8 balik. Sebab ini LS, benda yang susah nak dapat. So LS pun ada kick dia sendiri. So memang I think puas hati lah kereta ni. Kan? I think you should, what do you think? You rasa berbaloi tak kereta ni?
Dengan harga, dengan jajan yang dorang bagi, sangat-sangat berbaloi lah.
Kan? Betul, sebab saya sendiri dalam group chat tengok diorang post kereta ni dah geram dah. Tapi memandangkan ni lah, kan kita nak kena jaga hati mem besar kat rumah.
Saya pun susah mau pujuk isteri.
Tak apa, nanti raya beli baju raya lebih sikit. Alright brother, thank you. So nanti I can share, you ada IG kan?
Ada.
IG nanti kita letak kat ni. Okay? Alright, thank you bro. Thank you for your time. There you go guys. Enjoy. Lepas ni tak jumpa dah. Alright guys, so kita dah selesai pergi RAV4. Kita tahu dah what's the reason of going here to RAV4 is because Rentaka is safely in their hands. So diorang akan basically restore apa-apa yang patut, making sure the car is how it's supposed to look like lah. Maksudnya restore to its pristine condition as much as they can. Like how they did on the Beast, and then now we're doing it on the Rentaka so that nampak presentation cantik lah. Because we're going to display this car during Retro Havoc 31st of May guys. So if you guys are free, head down to the Curve 31st of May, Retro Havoc. We will have a group of drivers, drifters displaying kereta dorang masa Retro Havoc, including Rentaka hopefully, insyaAllah. New look, new livery, new everything hopefully. And so it's about 4 PM now. Not sure whether we have time to go somewhere else sebab nanti nak buka puasa, and then need to prepare stuff, Ramadan. Thank you very much. I'll see you on the next one. Bullseye signing out. Assalamualaikum. Berdaging. Meaty.